Molle, 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 molle. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Chad from The Right Line, and I want to introduce you to something cool today. But before I do, I gotta tell you where all this started. All right, so I have an elk hunt coming up the end of this year, and the place that we're going, our hunt area, could be snowy, could be really badly muddy, and I wanted to make sure that I could take my traction boards with me on the hunt, you know, just in case we get stuck in the mud. The problem is I didn't have a place to mount them on Chewy. So a friend of mine, Doug, introduced me to what's called a Molle panel. M-O-L-L-E. Hi, B, go away. Anyways, go away, B, damn it. Anyways, I happened to get this panel here. This is about a 33-inch panel. It's all aluminum. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. And I got this square panel here. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. I don't have the measurements on that one. But the cool thing about this big circular panel, you can see where I'm going with this, right? Molle panels can be super useful to hang stuff on, shovels, rakes, tools, supplies, what have you. And as it just turns out, you can go to custommollepanels.com right here. You can custom make your Molle panels. This is how you get started. Now, my friend Doug and the folks at Steelcrest have built this page, mollepanels.com, and you can go through and shop other products, but the cool part about it is you can custom build your own panel. And all you have to do is start right here at build. You can see all the custom shapes of panels that you can choose from. You simply pick your shape, you pick your dimensions, what kind of material you want, the finish, border size, whether you want perimeter slots, screw holes, and if they're countersunk. Anyways, you select all that information, hit the button, and you're off and running. There you have it. Molle panel is mounted, tread boards are mounted, ratchet strap down, clears both tail lights. This is awesome. All right, there you have it, folks. I've been wanting to film this video for a while, and I gotta thank Doug and Steelcrest for introducing me to these panels and sending these panels over to me. I don't quite have a spot for this one yet, but you can darn well rest assured I'm gonna find a spot for it. Go to custommollepanels.com. Check out the Molle panels, play around with the builder, build some panels, find some place to put it, mount some stuff. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time.